Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photography, where innovation and performance continue to set new standards. This year, camera manufacturers have introduced models that deliver exceptional image quality, smarter autofocus, and impressive video features tailored for both beginners and professionals. In the middle of all these advancements, one question stands out. Which are the best DSLR cameras in 2025? From powerful sensors to unmatched reliability, these cameras are designed to elevate your creative work and give you the tools you need to capture every moment with precision. In this video, we'll explore the top models, highlight their strengths, and provide insights to help you choose the perfect DSLR for your needs. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the cameras shaping photography this year. So welcome. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is one of the most reliable entry-level DSLRs, especially designed for those who are stepping into photography for the first time. It comes equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor, which ensures crisp, detailed, and vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. This combination makes it versatile enough for everyday shooting, from family portraits to breathtaking landscapes. One of the key highlights of the Rebel T7 is its user-friendly design. The menu system is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to navigate, while the comfortable grip and lightweight build allow you to carry it around effortlessly for long hours of shooting. In addition, the 9-point autofocus system and AI Servo AF provide decent accuracy for both still subjects and moderate action shots. For creators who want to stay connected, the Rebel T7 offers built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, enabling quick sharing of images to smartphones or tablets through Canon's Camera Connect app. Number 2. Nikon D50-300 24.2 MP Digital SLR Camera. The Nikon D50-300 24.2 MP digital SLR camera is a powerful mid-range DSLR that strikes the perfect balance between performance, portability, and creative control. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and Nikon's XP4 image processor, it delivers outstanding image quality with sharp detail, accurate colors, and impressive dynamic range. Unlike many entry-level models, the D50-300 does not use an optical low-pass filter, which enhances sharpness and fine textures in every shot. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action, the D50-300 consistently produces professional-looking results. One of its standout features is the fully articulated 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen, which makes shooting at different angles much easier, whether you're framing low-ground shots, overhead perspectives, or even recording vlogs. The 39-point autofocus system with 9 cross-type sensors ensures fast and precise focusing, making it reliable for moving subjects and challenging lighting conditions. It also offers continuous shooting at 5 frames per second, giving enthusiasts enough speed for sports, events, and wildlife photography. Number 1. Canon PowerShot A1400 Digital Camera. The Canon PowerShot A1400 digital camera is a compact and budget-friendly option designed for users who want a simple yet reliable device for everyday photography. While it is not a DSLR, the A1400 stands out in the point-and-shoot category with its ease of use, portability, and essential features that make it perfect for casual photographers. It comes with a 16-megapixel CCD sensor and Canon's Digic 4 image processor, which together provide decent image quality with vibrant colors and enough detail for both prints and digital sharing. One of the key highlights of the PowerShot A1400 is its 5x optical zoom lens, allowing users to capture everything from wide-angle landscapes to closer shots of subjects without significant image degradation. The camera also features a built-in optical viewfinder, something that is often missing in compact models, giving photographers more flexibility when shooting in bright light where LCD screens can be hard to see. For video recording, the A1400 offers HD 720p video at 25 frames per second, making it suitable for casual family videos, travel vlogs, or everyday moments. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed the content, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting reviews, comparisons, and tech breakdowns coming your way. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the best in tech.